Okay,
Get your
Dad.
apple up.
Get the apple out. There's the apple.
Ready? Look.
Okay, Dad. Oh, this is the best part, Kirsten.
Oh.
Pumpkin guts.
You want your apple? No, don't. Siri, look. You want to touch it? Feel weird?
Are you going to touch it with Siri?
Carson, can you touch it? You touch it? Oh, okay. Here's the apple. No.